Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to adjust the number of beans. Here I'm having three histograms in one plot, and you see the number of beans are different. So for the first one, we are having the purple one, we are having the 10 beans. Then for the second one, we are having 20 beans. And for the third one, we are having 50 beans. Okay. So there are different number of beans distributed here. So let's see how this is possible and how we are doing it. Okay. In order to do that, first we import the libraries. We generate 1000 random numbers from a standard normal distribution. Then this is the size of my figure. So this is the size of my figure. Then I'm having three histograms, hist, hist, and hist. Okay. All of them are having the same data. So the same data is used. The same variable, let's say, is used. But in the first one, we assign the number of beans to be 10. In the second one, we assign it to be 20. In the third one, we assign it to be 50. That we see here, 10, 20, and 50. We are having the same level of transparency, 0.5 for all of them. Then we are having the label 10 beans, 20 beans, and 50 beans, as we see here in the label. So we are using the legend function as well, because we see the legend here. So we are separating the histograms based on the beans. Now we are having the color blue, red, and green. So blue, red, and green. And the edge color is black for all of them. So edge color is black for all of them. Then we are having the title of the histogram here. We are having the x-axis label, the y-axis label, and finally the legend function and the show function to show us the figure. So this is how we are having three uh, different histograms based on one data, but because their beans are different, we see that they are different here. They are shown differently here. So the number of beans is very important, and in this example we wanted to show you that how the number of beans can vary the shape as we see here. Thank you for watching.